What's up YouTube? Today we have 2018 Toyota Camry, all keys lost. And after so the Toyota Camry, the key should be in the door handle. So if you have the passenger side, normally it's in the passenger side. So if you don't have a key slot in the passenger side, it's gonna be in the driver's side. So you don't have to take the whole handle off. Just take the knob right here. So once you take it off, you take it from the side. You take the plastic cover off with a 30 torque. You take this one off, and the key is gonna be right here. Right here. So in case if you have this number, two numbers, and you get confused, you don't know which one, you can open up your app in your key cutting machine or in Instacode. So when you go to the manual, you're gonna see Toyota Camry 2018 was a Brox. No, it's a regular one. So regular ignition, 2018 to 21, and code series 4000 whatever. So the code does not even have a Z number. So the Z number that you see over here, that means is not the correct one. So the correct one should be this one. So we're gonna complete, and it's gonna tell you. But LBX for the smart key, that's a smart key. Ours is the regular ignition. So Toyota Camry 18 was a Brox. Is not a Brox. Okay, Camry XL, TR Camry hatchback is not a hatchback. So okay, so Camry. So the manual can give you like a general idea about the transponder information, about the toy 43, and the key series is 6000 something. So our key code today is 62. So I'm gonna show you. You can have it in two ways. So the first way, you can go to your Toolmax and make sure you have internet connection. So make sure you connect it to the network, and then you're gonna go to all keys lost. When you go to all keys lost, make sure you get the number 62958. Okay, and then you're gonna head for Toyota. Okay, SD, and then Toyota. And then when you have the Toyota 62958 9558. Okay, so 62958 inquiry. That's supposed to give you the key code, the key cut code. So it gave us for toy 43, of course, is the regular ignition, and it's right here, and it gave you the second position, line number 4, clamp number, and then here you go. So 4322334343. So if you go back to the Instacode application, and if you open up your Instacode application, and if you can do it in two different ways. You can do Toyota, all right, and then you can go Camry, and then now I have the key code. If you don't have the key code, you can do it in different way. We can make a different video on how you obtain the key code without if you have like any cuts. So our code is 62 958 62958. And to save your time, just select lock type vehicle and then hit do search. When you do search, let's make sure we have the right number. 62958. Yeah. Okay. 62 62 62 62. Let me see if I have the right. 62958 Toyota Camry. All right. A vehicle. Okay. 62958. Do search. Okay, let's go with the first one and see how it goes. Okay, so it gave us 43, 22, 33, 43, 43, and the key tool max is 43, 22, 33, 43, 43. So we are correct. And then as you know, it gives you the tips and the side height, and then in the side you're gonna have the key shape. So if you're using the Skyline, it's gonna be TR 47, and if you're using silica, and it's gonna give you toy 43. So make sure when you buy the blank is different. So if you buy a silica, it's gonna be toy 43. If you buy a Skyline, it's gonna be TR 47. And when you go back to the manual, it's gonna show you like for TR 47. So TR 47. So, and then when you hit for each it can give you the key shape and the key, and sometimes it gives you the transponder number as well. But you can have the transponder number from, you can read the ignition and signal from the ignition, and you will have it. So it's easy. So but now at least you have the key code and you already know where is the location. It's gonna be, if the driver's side does not have a key slot, it's gonna be in passenger side, and if you don't have it in the passenger side, you're gonna have it in the driver's side. Okay, I will go ahead and try to cut the key and we'll continue programming the key for this car. Also, you can see if you go to tools and or task and then show cut key, it's supposed to give you the key cut. It's supposed to give you the key shape, and here you go, position number 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10 for the 10 cuts. And you can do measurement if you want to get the measurement for the height and whatever, and the lock position. So for the lock position, trunk and doors, so the doors is 8 cut. So in case if you get the doors only, and sometimes the aftermarket locks does not have a key on it, or somebody changed the waffles, so you need to read this. And then you're gonna go back, and here you go, they're gonna give you the waffle kit if you want to buy the waffle kit, if you want to change the lock position, or your lock, you know, sometimes you buy a lock from somebody and you want to change the locks yourself, or the waffle get bad. And if you want to go fine bitting, you can go ahead, and if you have the door, let's say you have the door cuts, and you fill those whatever number it is, so it will not gonna be over 5. It's gonna be, the maximum is gonna be 4. So 1, 2, 3, 2, whatever it is, and you do next. Find value. Okay, so, and then Okay. Yeah, I mean, we can do it from video for to navigate the Insta code. So if somebody wanna do this video, please leave a comment for this. We can do a special video um, for the Insta code application and how to navigate and how to use it and how to find your cuts. And if you guys need any other video, just let me the comment below the video and let me know what video that you need so we can make a special video. We can do key programming, any electric troubleshooting, any electronic circuit board repair, any ECU programming, any general electric repair, any automations. We can do automation as well. So if any video that you like to see or interested in, let me know in the comment below, and I will make a good video for you. As you know, automations, electronics, car key programming, car electronics programming, robotics programming, automations with the PLC and the VFD drives. So if you want to learn about those, just let me know. We can make a different video, and I hope this video will help someone. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we cut the keys. Okay, so after we cut the key, the owner found the key, one of the keys with a tow truck. So here is the key after when I make the other key, and I was going to make one master key and one valet, and so it's gonna be around 2 keys or maybe 2 and 1 for as a metal key. So the owner found a key, and he's lucky that it was a master key. So master key, in order to add for Toyota for all keys lost, you need a master key to add or delete keys. So how to identify the master key? Did you see the security light? It's blinking. Once you put the master key in, it shouldn't come on at all. If it comes on at least one time, that means it's not a master key. So let's put it in and take a look. Never came on. Take it out. Here you go. It's blinking. Once you put it back in, it shouldn't come on. That means it's a master key. If you put the key in and at least you have one blinking light after you put the key, that's not a master key. So here you go. One more time. Never come back up. So, and also what happened is I've been lately when I buy aftermarket keys online. So when I buy the keys as G or 8A or any other different chip, especially the late model chip, an expensive chip, it doesn't come with the right one. So when I measure the car key transponder, this one, and when I read the transponder, okay, it comes as 46. Oh, sorry, I have the other chip in because I was going to do it before the video, but here you go. So that's the original key when I read the transponder. You see that 8A, the one that I bought online as a 8A, this one right here, I disassemble it, and let me take the chip off. Okay, go back, read transponder. There you go. It is G. It's not 8A. So I will go ahead. Just be careful, guys. Some seller online when you buy when they sell you a key, and a little cheaper, but it's not the correct transponder. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll go back and generate one like we do all the time. Generate. Okay. Do search, so it's gonna be easy and faster. All right. So I have all the transponder for Toyota. It's not ID 67, it's not ID 70, it's 8A 128-bit H, which is H because I have the key even has an H on it. You see the H? So that's H. And the good thing about the super chip, you can erase it and reprogram it, erase it and reprogram it, so it doesn't hurt. You don't lose that chip at all. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and generate 128, and we hit generate. Okay. So how we gonna choose the selection? 39 or 59 or 5A? Usually the 39 is a master key, and how we can identify that? We can go back. Oh, I hit generate. Okay, so let's go back in order to choose which one you're going to generate. Okay, go back. Read this one again. The original key. Transponder. Read. Okay, did you see that? The key position is 39. That means it's a master key. So next time we can talk about how you can read and analyze the key file. Okay, generate transponder. Put the super chip in. I think the super chip XT27. Do search. Toyota and 8A 128-bit. Okay. And generate position 39. Okay. I think it's 59 is the valid second key. So it gives you the order: first key, second key, third key, fourth key. So first one in the slot is gonna be the master key, and you can have, sometimes you can do two master. But let's try. No internet. Oh, I need the internet. All right, I will pause the video, connect the internet, and do it again. Okay, I connect back to the network, and now we're gonna go ahead and hit generate. And 49. All right. Shouldn't take that long, but depends about the connection. Here you go. Transponder generated success. Okay, so let's go back and read it. Now read it. It's 8A, version 39. All right, so we're gonna take this. and take the old one out. Hopefully sometime when they send you the wrong key and the FCC for the remote, it sometimes doesn't match. So you have to make sure that the chip is right and the FCC for the remote portion is correct. Otherwise the remote will not gonna work. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Let's close it for now, and then we can do the remote after that, step by step. Okay, as we said, anytime that you need to add a key, turn on the car, make sure there is no light, and if there's any light, take a picture of it in case if the customer come back and tell you, oh, this light was not on, the radio stopped working, the AC stopped working, whatever is gonna come up with the story. Keep yourself headache free. So that's what I usually do before I add any key to any vehicle. Turn on the car. Since the car has a key, turn it on. Make sure there is no any other light, and if it has a light, take a picture or let the owner know. Okay, so I will go ahead process programming. So as we said, this is gonna be a master key, and the light go off, and the new one is still not programmed yet. When you stick it in, the light is still blinking because the key is not programmed yet, not even the remote. Hopefully the remote gonna work after we get the wrong chip, and I have a feeling that I'm gonna have the wrong FCC. All right, so get this up here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start the process. Okay, key programming, and search Toyota, and search by vehicle, and USA, and we're gonna go Camry, and 2012, 2018, and we're gonna do mechanical key, and it's not a G, and it's type 2H, so we're gonna hit that, and we're gonna do immobilizer, and we're gonna go, since we already have a key. If you don't have a key, that you're gonna do all keys lost, and you're gonna do reset ammo. Once you reset the ammo, you have to program to at least 2 keys. It's better. Sometimes it works with 1 key. I tried one time before, but it will need 2 keys. So since the owner found the other key was a tow truck, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna do only add key. So add a key, downloading. Make sure you get the key and do the ignition, otherwise you're gonna have communication failure. So see, program failed. That's because I don't have the key in the ignition and turn the ignition on. So I'm gonna go ahead, put the key in the ignition and turn it on and try again. It should pass this time. So add a key and processing. Please wait. Master key is required before adding or identify any valid key. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. So I'm gonna go ahead, insert the program key, original key, and switch ignition in is already on. We're gonna hit OK. It's very simple. And program, insert the key to be programmed. So we're gonna take this one off, and we're gonna put the key on. So he said then turn on. We're gonna hit OK. Wait, and then the light, it should go off. If it doesn't go off, go ahead and turn the ignition on. So it says wait until the security light goes off, program complete. And then we're gonna hit OK. And we still have the security light comes on. Sometimes it takes up to 60 seconds, so don't worry. Be patient. Okay. In this case, sometimes you go and turn the ignition on. There you go. It goes off. I will do it again. Here you go. Turn it off. Remember, we programmed this as a master key. You see that? When you put the key in, never come back on. So now we have two master keys. And here you go, start the car. Let's try the original key. Here you go. I have the car on with the other keys. I will pause the video and see if we can get the right FCC to remove the remote. Alright, so very simple, guys. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and program the keys. I'm not sure if I can open the door and do it with the ignition with one hand as I hold the camera in one hand, but I'll try. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and program remote and turn ignition on. And okay, only open driver door. The internal lock is open and close the door. The internal lock is open, close the other door. Open the drive door. The internal lock is open, close the other door. Okay. Press hold, lock and unlock. You see the beep, and okay, program complete. Let's see if it's gonna work. All right. Let's do it one more time because for some reason. So when you put the key in this time, put it in this way, so when you turn it on, you're gonna have access to the lock and unlock button. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead facing this way, not facing this way, so you already know, you already have an access to the turn ignition on. Okay, only open driver door. The internal lock is open. Okay, the internal lock is open and open. Okay, reading data. Press and hold the lock and unlock button of the other remote to pre-program for 2 seconds. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Press the lock button once. Okay, next once. Click OK to continue. Program complete. Okay, so we're gonna try close. So get to the program mode, but as I told you, I have a feeling that this remote is not the right FCC. And when I go back and make sure we have the right frequency. All right, so it's 314 and okay, 315. Yeah. So yeah, I have to check it out. Yeah, but once you have the right remote and you hold a lock and unlock for 3 seconds, it should be it. As you hear, it's beeping, but it's not communicating with the vehicle. And I'm very sure that's is not the correct FCC. All right. Thank you, guys.